20, bet I bring 100 back. Oh, we talking money, wanna cut it at. I can't bring my gun, I don't come to that. It's so fucking whack that it's come to that. But it's a cold world, so when the block's hot, many snakes want every crumb of that. And when you run the block, they want you one of that. I don't mumble rap, I just come with facts. Put a beat on it, it's a fucking rap. Yeah, I'm fucking back to my old ways, taking rap back to them old days. Your best flow is my retro, so my price high like OJ's. My last song was a homicide, got away with murder like OJ. It's winter time, come dinner time. For the kin that died, we break bread. Living twice as hard like the life is ours, then praying that we ain't that. Fuck the internet, boy, I been a vet. Bitch, go somewhere with your little threats. This is South Go to South Pole, watch your mouth open. You ain't living it, ain't gangster, but don't push me. Just please believe that I push back. And when I do, I'm giving you war like President Bush back. Yeah, cold-blooded, I'm built for this flow. 100, can't filter this. Really ain't nobody fucking real as this. Until they body, buddy, I'ma kill this shit like I live my life like every day, the last one that I got. Quit waiting around and win and got it, bitch, so what's up now? You come and try to take it, you gon' find out what I'm bout since bout it. I've been holding this shit down for my hometown like, woo! I was born and raised in a cold world. Mama praying, trying to save the whole world. Might not change the world, but I'll change what I got. Might not run the world, but I'ma run the block. Run the block, baby, I'ma run the block. Might not run the world, but I'ma run the block. Run the block, baby, I'ma run the block. Might not run the world, but I'ma run the block.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love